On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don inaugurate 35-man team, make dem put body on top Edo State 30 years development plan. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don inaugurate 35-man technical working group wey be TWG, wey go write 30 years development plan to help government with ogbonge style, tool and knowledge to take develop Edo State well. For the inauguration wey shele for Government House of Benin City, Obaseki tok say state government go put time and money together to take assist the group, make dem for fit deliver well on top this work wey government don give them.
We are inaugurating the technical working group of Edo State to develop what will be perhaps the most important document that will define our future, which is the 30-year development plan for Edo State. This is a milestone and will be perhaps the greatest legacy of my administration. I'm not sure many of you will be here in 30 years' time. So you ask, why? What are we doing? But if you think about Edo today, having been part of Midwest region and Bendel, the reason why we even have what we have is because people sat down 70, 50 years ago to do the kind of work we are attempting to do today. The vision and mission of our government has been very clearly articulated. So I'm sure all of you, in all your assignments, in all your retreats, you know clearly what it is, what we expect, what we anticipate Edo will be. And we have focused succinctly on three key areas, namely economic, social, and also on infrastructure.
Governor come tell the group say make dem make sure say the plan wey dem wan write go be ogbonge one, so that e go fit position Edo State for where e suppose dey for Naija. He still talk say dem take time to select the members of the 35-man team from different ministry, departments and agencies wey be MDAs, because dem want make dem write better plan wey go change Edo State after 30 years, and e go make Edo State be ogbonge state for Midwest region. Obaseki tok say him like am as dem get the support and privilege of the foundation wey dey on top partnership initiatives in the Niger Delta wey be pinned, and dem go provide assistance and resources give the 35-man team, make dem for fit take do their work well.
And therefore, this assignment in which we are commencing today is one I want all of you to see as a privilege. We have to decide on our intentions for the future. Because fortunately, the tools exist today for us to make rough, fairly accurate assumptions about certain things in the future, about how many people are going to be living in this state. The landmass here is fixed. So how are we going to interact in time with our space? How many children are being born today? Those children have a certain life expectancy. In what society are they going to live? What type of education are you going to give them? Where are the spaces they'll occupy? Where are the cities they will live? What will be the economic activities they will undertake? These are all elements that must be contained in this plan. We have carefully selected members from the various MDAs, because these MDAs were set up for a purpose. Because there's need to build not only the institutional memory, but also systems and processes to help us achieve implementation of the plan.
Chairman of the Technical Working Group, TWG, wey still be the Commissioner for Budget and Economic Planning, Princess Ose Momo Omargbe come thank governor for this opportunity wey e give dem to take serve Edo pipo, and she come still tell governor say make e no worry, say dis team go deliver on top the work wey dem don give dem.
Where we have a task that we have to fulfill, and we know that each and every one of us have a lot of work to do on our hands. I just want to say a big thank you to Mr. Governor for giving us this opportunity to be able to run this project. I know we're going to do very well, and also thank you all for coming. Thank you very much.
Some members of the TWG na Commissioner for Finance, Honorable Joseph Ebegbe, Permanent Secretary for Budget, Vera Obadan, Permanent Secretary for Environment, Lucky Wasa, Permanent Secretary for Youth, Itohan Bazwaye, and some other members. Now here we see this ogbonge updates reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Governor Godwin Obaseki don inaugurate 35-man team wey go put body on top Edo State plan for 30 years wey go change Edo State face for Naija and even for Midwestern region kpakpa. Make una know say this ogbonge update wey dey waka come meet una so na T Live Media na im carry am come give una. And to get more of this ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Make una like and follow us on top Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for T Live Media. Una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com. T Live Media, purely pidgin.